In today's video, I'm actually going to show you how you can start to earn 70% of each other's earnings every week, only if you stay active. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning till the end, because by the end of this video, I'm also going to be showing you a strategy on how you can start to make some passive income using this one simple website that has been around for quite some time. So let's get started right away with today's money making method. From the last video, I have shown you guys this website that has been around for quite some time, and it is working wonders at the moment for me because I have been using this right here, this 1,000 times free Bitcoin bonus, and I'm going to claim it for at least a week or two, and it might just stay passive forever, to be honest. And I'm going to show you exactly why in today's video. I'm also going to show you how you can start to earn 70% of each other's earnings from this website, something I've recently just found out. So I'm just going to let this website pretty much be for you guys to earn passive income on each other while doing a little bit of active work, and I'm going to show you why. So look, first off, you can see that my percentage of BTC that's going to get paid out every hour is around 121 satoshis. So you can actually do the math on that. So let's do that real quick, and this is why this is a really profitable website, guys. So watch. So we're going to do 0.000. There's going to be 8 zeros, so it's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to delete 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2. Let's do 1, 2, 1, or we can do 1, 2, and then we're going to times that by 24, because this is what I'm going to be getting every single hour. So times by 24, because there is a method that I use in order to make this passive for me, guys. So click on equals. So this is what I'm getting every day for just doing nothing, guys. So let's copy that real quick. Let's go to Google. So you can see that I'm making around 50 cents every single day just for using this website passively, guys. So this is a really insane way to make passive income. 50 cents in crypto is really decent amount of money to be made. On top of that, I'm making money from the actual interest that I earn. So let's go to earn BTC. You can see that I'm earning around this much per year, but it pays out every single day. So you can see that. So that just adds to the 50 cents or to the 0.0002 BTC. And then I recently came down here to where it says refer, and I've seen this down here at the bottom, guys. There's only 12 of you people, but just imagine getting at least like 100 to 200 people active on this account, because, and this is the only reason why I'm saying this, is right here, percentage to share. It says right here, use this to automatically share a percentage of referral commissions with your referrers every week. So before payouts are made. So this is going to pay out every single week, and I'm put it to 70% just to see what happens. And I put it right here, share amount based on total referral activity, or we can do share amount based on referral activity since last payout. So we can do either or of these, guys. So I'm going to leave it at the middle for right now, just because I want you guys to be active and starting to grow your account up to where I have my account, and just stay consistent so you can actually get the 50 cents every single day for doing absolutely nothing, because that money actually adds up at the end of the day. So this is just something I wanted to show you guys so you can actually get started making some money today with this free bitcoin.com. And I'm going to leave the link down below, not .com, .in, and I'm going to be leaving the links down below. And I already went over this, guys. Go into profile right here, and I'm going to help you to just earn more crypto as much as possible. So I'm going to show you the strategy right here, guys. So go to your profile right there, come down here and disable lottery tickets and interest. Click on this box right here where it says disable lottery ticket. So as you can see, it says the option is checked if you will receive reward points instead of lottery tickets. So we're going to receive reward points, and reward points are really decent. If you come down here to where it says rewards, you can see right here that I have 22,000 reward points, and it only cost me right here where it says free Bitcoin bonus 3,200 for 1,000 bonus of Bitcoin. So this is a really profitable way to make money passively, guys, and this is just going to keep growing slow and steady, going back up and trying to make it even more than what I used to have when I started this method. And this is a really decent way to earn passive income with this website, guys. On top of that, giving you 70% of the commissions that you guys make as a team. So this is like a team effort for you guys to start to earn some passive income from each other, and on top of that, doing a little bit of like active income to solve these captchas and earn and help out each other to earn passively with this website. So I'm going to help you make this passive, and that is using this software that I have called Faucet Collector. I've made a lot of videos about this, guys, and you can see down here that I have claimed over 204 times with this using this one software for this website. And I'm going to be leaving the links down to Faucet Collector and a video showing you how to use it so you can start making some passive income with this. It's going to take you a little investment with the Faucet Collector if you don't want to put in a deposit of around, I believe it's 0.004. So it says play free Bitcoin without captcha. So I need to deposit another 0.0019 in order to make this passive, so I don't have to use the Faucet Collector. But if you guys do not have that much crypto to invest, then the Faucet Collector would be the best bet if you do not want to come in here manually every single hour to do this. So that is two different methods that you can use, guys, to earn some money with this website. And again, the links are going to be down below so you can get started right away. Do not use the lottery tickets. For me, it's just like a waste, to be honest. Do not actually multiply your BTC because now you're just gambling. Save your crypto, investing in different platforms as time goes on, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace. Have you ever wanted to create a video just like this that went viral, like 5 facts about coronavirus, mind-blowing obstacle illusions? Keep watching this video, guys. I know this looks like something that a lot of people talk about, but this is something that can actually work for you. Look at this. Photos that caught people cheat or being jealous. Things students did to pass exams. So look, if we go inside of any one of these videos, so here's the volume. So
like you're falling out of bed and you're sound asleep. What do? You jump straight up and you wonder what.
So as you guys can hear that volume, any background, that is something that my team is going to create for you. So that is going to be something my team is going to be able to create for you for a really cheap price, guys. They're going to be creating the videos for you. They're going to be creating the actual thumbnails for you. They're going to actually be doing the voiceovers for you. They're going to do everything that is needed to make a video on YouTube for you guys. This is going to be the easiest and simplest way to make money right now on YouTube. And there's niches. You can do this in niche. You can do it about dogs. You can do it about crabs. You can do it about cars. Anything that you can think of, guys, my team is going to do it for you. And this team is actually working with the bright side. This team is actually working with the richest. So you can see all of these videos right here, guys, are what my team can do for you. Exactly the same, guys. Look at this. Warren Buffett. I think this is Joe Biden. Look at this. Dubai's 22 billion city of the future. You can see all of these videos are pretty much the same exact thing as this right here. This is my channel, my test channel. So you guys can come in, check it out, and see if you actually want to be a part of this YouTube community of actually having my team work for you guys. So it says what you didn't know about Russia that you should know. And look at this right here, guys. Watch. This right here is my YouTube course. I don't really want to call it a course. I want to call it like a, I guess, program or just something that is going to be given to you guys. So this is what my team will do for you. My team will do the script writing, the video editing, the voiceovers, and the thumbnail. And all you have to do is just upload the video and start to make money with YouTube. Now, it all depends on you guys. It all depends on what videos you want them to make for you and what videos could go viral and what videos don't go viral. So it just takes patience, time, and I'm going to show you the introduction to the course. Watch this. Personal contact information, channel and branding, best niches, how to get views organically, how to grow fast, a little secret, how to get 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers fast, a secret method, and that really is a secret method right there, guys. How to outsource everything without my team, how to go viral every time you upload, what to do or what to avoid when making a YouTube channel, what I would do if I started from scratch. Here is my team. Let's take action and make some money, guys. So this is going to be my results. This is going to be my my program on showing you exactly how you can make money on YouTube for using my team without even using my team, guys. Look, it says right here how to outsource everything without my team. So guys, this is something I've created for you, a really cheap price at the moment, only $25, which is a really good investment, I would say, to get some information, some knowledge on actually making money on YouTube, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.